Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. I am Shell and today we will talk about the steps which you need to take in order to prepare yourselves for MSc in Microbiology. MSc in Microbiology is a 2 year course which you can start after having BSc in either Zoology or Botany, Life Science or Biotechnology. And after MSc in Microbiology, you can easily have a career either in research field or in some industries or pharmaceuticals. So for MSc in Microbiology, first you need to make a list of the universities, colleges or institutes where you want to study. Then download their syllabus and see the common chapters in all those syllabus. I have similarly prepared a list of the important chapters which you need to go through in order to prepare yourselves. First, we will see the important topics or the general syllabus for MSc in Microbiology, which will remain same for almost all the universities, colleges or institutes. Then we will go through the list of books which you need to go through for preparing yourselves. Then the list of books which you can refer while practicing. That is the books where MCQs will be given for MSc in Microbiology. Let's begin with the list of the important chapters which you need to go through. So, the first and most important topic which you need to prepare is cell biology. Under cell biology, you should know the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, then the organelles such as nucleus, ribosomes, nucleolus, nucleoid, mitochondria, then chloroplast. Then you should be thorough with mitosis and meiosis and cell cycle regulation. Then under molecular biology, you should be thorough with basics of replication, transcription, translation in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, then structure of DNA of course, then gene regulation. Then under genetics, you should read structure of RNA, structure of DNA, mutation and DNA repair, isolation of plasmid DNA. Under biochemistry, you should go through structure of carbohydrates, then structure of protein and lipids, then sugar derivatives such as glucosamines, galactosamine, muramic acid, N-acetyl-nuraminic acid. Then you should read enzymes, turnover, enzyme unit, basics of enzymes, then mechanism of enzyme action. Then you should be thorough with the process of respiration, then difference between photosynthesis and respiration, then difference between photosynthesis of cyanobacteria and green sulfur bacteria, then all the concepts of photosynthesis. So these are the topics which you need to go through under biochemistry. Under biotechnology, you should be thorough with cloning vectors, their types, then restriction enzymes, their types, especially type 2 restriction enzymes, then polymerase chain reaction, then blotting techniques, then cDNA library and genomic library, then DNA fingerprinting, transgenic animals, their production and applications, transgenic plants, their production and applications, and various selectable markers used. Then agrobacterium mediated transformation, tissue culture, various types of culture media, then callus and suspension culture. Now let's come to the main topic, that is microbiology. Under microbiology, you should be thorough with history of microbiology, that is the name of the scientists and the important dates which have their imprints in the field of microbiology. Then characterization, classification and identification of microbes, general morphology and classification of bacteria, characters of bacteria and their economic importance, gram positive and gram negative bacteria, that is gram staining technique, this is very important. Then virus replication cycle, that is lytic and lysogenic cycle. Then virus genetic material and structure. Then microbial growth, that is log and lag phase. Then drug resistance. Then transformation and transduction, immobilized enzymes and uses. Then general morphology of protists and fungi. Then classification of protists and fungi, their economic importance. These two things you can also include under taxonomy. If you want to give one more heading as taxonomy, then these two things can come under taxonomy. Then immune responses to microorganisms. Over here you have to build the concepts of immunology also. Then antibiotics and their therapeutic agents, this is very important. Then the concepts of virions, prions and virioids. These are the applications of microbiology, that is how microbiology is used in the field of food, agriculture, industry, environment, pharmaceuticals, plant pathogen interaction, then pathogen immune interaction. Under food, for example, you can read how wine is produced, how curd is produced, how bread is produced. Then under agriculture, you can know the nitrogen cycle or the benefit or the importance of microorganisms to increase the fertility of soil. Then under industry, you can go for industrial production of vinegar, etc. Then under environment, you can understand the meaning of the importance of microorganisms in maintaining environmental balance, that is how microorganisms degrade the dead and decaying organic matter, then how microorganisms are used in the production of medicines. So these things basically come under microbiology applications. Under ecology and evolution, you can read biogeochemical cycles, biotic interactions, and environmental pollution. These topics are not that important. Under biotechniques, principles of chromatography, types and working principles. Similarly, spectrophotometry, types and working principle, then centrifugation, electrophoresis, and microscopy. Under immunology, you should be thorough with innate and adaptive immunity, antigen and antibody reactions, then cell-mediated immunity, then immunoglobulins, their types, structure and function, then concepts of vaccines. Then some practical knowledge is also required, such as pure culture techniques, staining techniques, and cultural characteristics of microorganisms. So you must be thorough with these practical concepts regarding microbiology. Then, after going through the list of important chapters, let's see the list of books which you need to follow in order to prepare yourselves. From these list of books, just try to read these important topics, and you must start your preparations from BSc itself, that is either 5th semester or 2nd year. I have told these things many a times. So while preparing, prepare notes, then quick notes, short notes should be also there with you. If you do not have any time, then just go through the most important things from the list of the things which I have given. But go through those things properly from the list of books which I am giving you. So under reference books, let's start with microbiology. For microbiology, you can follow Peljar and Chan Microbiology, then Gerald J. Tortora, An Introduction to Microbiology, then Prescott's Microbiology, and Microbial Genetics by David Fredfeld. Other topics you can read from, like genetics from Benjamin Pierce, biochemistry from V. Satyanarayan and B. Chakrapani, Harper's Biochemistry, then Leninger, molecular biology of the gene by Watson and Baker, molecular biology of the cell by Albert Bruce, ecology by P.D. Sharma, biotechniques from Wilson and Walker, immunology, Cubase immunology. You can also buy Pathfinder Part 1 and Part 2. But Pathfinder Part 1 and Part 2 will only help you if you have your concepts very strong, because Pathfinder has all the topics in a very precise manner, or you can say in a compressed manner. So it will only help when you know the concepts properly. Then Essential Cell Biology from Alberts Walter Roberts, and Biotechnology from David P. Clark. Now these are the practice books, that is Mastering Microbiology, Dr. Shivika J. Sethi, then Vijeta Competitions PG Entrance Series, then Microbiology by Dr. Purushottam Kaushik and Kirti Kaushik, then Microbiology by Sartaj A.R. Sheikh, then Microbiology Pearls by Zahida Rasool. According to me, Microbiology Pearls by Zahida Rasool is a good one. You can also buy Pathfinder MCQ practice series, that will also help you a lot. The links of these reference books as well as practice books are given in the description box. You can go and check them out. You can click the link and buy these books. The PDF format of these reference books which I have given you are there on my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel and download these books in PDF format and read from them. Or you can also take the printout of these books, or you can Xerox it from somebody else, so that it would be easier for you all. Now, let's see the list of the books from where you can practice. You can either buy 1 or 2 books from this list of books. You can also go through the last year question papers, which you can download from their websites of the universities or colleges or institutes where you want to go. or you can download question papers of institutes of places like BHU or DU, last year question papers, or you can practice MCQs from certain apps. There are many apps. Then there are various Telegram channels. You can join there and practice the questions. You can also join my Telegram channel to practice certain questions, which will help you a lot. If you want to pursue a career in microbiology, you can get a job easily in industries or pharmaceuticals or laboratories where testings are done. With this, we come to the end of this video. The link of the Telegram channel is given in the description box. If I have helped you in any way, then hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.